Have you ever wanted a closer look at the DAR Museum period rooms? Today's your lucky day. Follow me. This room is showing a parlor in Maine in the 1820s. And parlors at this time were multi-purpose rooms. They're, you can sit and do work, figure out your household accounts here. You can entertain friends. And so really they're meant to be, the furniture's meant to be moved around a lot. So you can see some furniture's pushed up against the wall because it's not being used, but it might be later. So let's take a closer look. So the table in the center here is set up as if a group of women were sitting around and working on some projects. We'll take a look first at this one. This is one of my favorite pieces in the collection. It's a tape loom. And if you're not familiar with what tape is, well, you actually are. It's anything long, flat, and flexible. So like we think of today as measuring tape or sticky tape. Well, this is cotton tape, and they used it for a lot of different things at the time, for decorative edgings and also for ties and bindings, all kinds of things. Now this one is from about 1790. And I'm going to put the camera down so I can use both hands and show you how it works. So here you can see how the threads are positioned. Half of them are through holes, and then half of them are through slots. So that means that when I move the tape up or down, the threads through the holes stay put, and the threads through the slots move. This allows me to create the simplest type of weave structure called plain weave or tabby weave. So I take the shuttle here and stick it through. So that was holding everything up. Now I'm going to switch to having everything down. The threads change places, and I can put the shuttle through again. And I've just added 2 more rows to my weaving. Also on the table is a sewing box. It was made around 1800 or 1810. I love its little feet. It has initials on the top, NK. They stand for Nancy Kimball, who was the owner of the box. So let's see what Nancy kept in her sewing supplies. Ooh, all right. So we've got lots of thread, very important. There's a pewter thimble. There's the key for when she needed to lock her supplies up. This is a book of needles. So the pages here are wool, and it has a bunch of needles stuck in it. Very compact way to store them. And then this is great. This is a tape measure. The case is made out of bone, and then the tape is silk. Nancy also had kept some cosmetic supplies in here. She's got a pair of scissors, some tweezers, and then this one in the middle is an ear scoop for cleaning wax out of your ears. So Nancy was prepared. So if that sewing box isn't quite enough space for all your projects, you could try this. This is a sewing table. It was made around 1800 out of rosewood. Just gorgeous. So I love the inlay on the top here. And then it looks like it's got a little skirt. So what's that all about? Let's open it up and see. So this is where you can keep all of your sewing supplies in these compartments. And if we take the drawer away, aha, that's what that skirt was. It's a compartment for putting the actual project that you're working on. So you can keep everything all in one place. Isn't that handy? Well, that was fun. Now let's get out of here before someone notices that I snuck you in past the gate.